In my hands, I have Sony's latest lens, 400 to 800 in a small, compact, lightweight package. Weighing in at hardly 2.5 kilos, this lens is the perfect choice for anyone into wildlife or bird photography. First glance, this lens, it's got a nice about 3-inch long hood, so any stray light doesn't enter. And the build quality is very similar to Sony's very popular lens, the 200 to 600. So it's weather resistant, dust resistant. I've been using this particular lens all the way from the snow-covered peaks of the Himalayas to the forests of India, photographing everything from snow leopards in minus 20 degrees to tigers in nearly 40 degrees in dusty conditions, and everywhere the lens is performed flawlessly. One thing I like about the lens is just how small and compact it is. So it fits into your camera bag. It's very lightweight. So once you attach it to your camera, you can use it handheld, especially when you need to photograph birds in flight. Also, it's got the Optical SteadyShot. So that, combined with the camera's stabilizing feature, can be incredibly useful, and you'll get amazingly steady shots even on video.
On video, it has very little breathing, so I can focus in and out. The quality is just amazing.
So the most important part for me with this lens in particular is the fact that I can go from 400 to 800 half a twist. Also, it doesn't barrel out, so it doesn't change the weight balance of the lens, especially if you're on a tripod and you're shooting video. A lens barreling out always causes a problem, but this is all internal, so it keeps the weight consistent. So yeah, I think this is going to be one of my constant companions, and I'll be posting more about this lens, but I think this is a game-changing lens. And for all of us in the field using this lens, it's incredible to have all of it in one package. Look forward to using more of it in the field.